We'll guide you through how to change the default font in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs on your desktop and either create a new document or open an existing one. Once your document is open, go to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, select Paragraph Styles and then Normal Text. Next, click on Update Normal Text to match. This step ensures that your current text style is set as the new default. Now, go back to Format, then Paragraph Styles, and this time, hover over Options at the bottom of the menu. Click on Save as My Default Styles. This will set your document's current font, size, and paragraph spacing as the default for all new documents you create in Google Docs. It's a handy way to save time if you have a preferred font and style you use frequently. You can also repeat these steps anytime you want to change your default settings again. Remember, these changes will only apply to new documents you create, not to existing ones, unless you manually update them. Now you're all set with your customized default font. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.